How to see the GCash account number. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to see the GCash number from your GCash app or website, it is quite simple. So first of all, open your GCash application or the website, which is gcash.com. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on your website and tap on login. From here you have to log in using your MPIN in both of app or website. Then after you have to tap on the profile which is on the bottom menu. Hereby, you will see your name first and just below it is your GCash number. This is one way to find out your GCash number. Likewise, the second option is the GCash account number can be found on the back of your GCash card. So this way also you can easily see your GCash number. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.